Paying more for design and performance, a look into the premium household appliances boom. Introducing the 3D holographic microscope using holography to show cells in 3D. The Smart Cell Stethoscope, helping patients monitor and manage heart rates at home. What is the total sum of lottery tickets issued in Korea, and where is the money used? Find out on today's BizLine.
Premium household electronics with luxurious design, outstanding technology, and VIP marketing are all the rage these days. How have premium products managed to capture the hearts of consumers in the recession? This is LG's signature brand lineup released in March, which have become synonymous with high performance and premium pricing. The products in this line include a television, refrigerator, washing machine, and air humidifier and purifier. This fridge allows users to look into the fridge just by knocking and open the door with their feet. The washing machine with a front-loading drum on top and top-loading barrel below is another eye-catching product with unique functions. As these products have been released for the premium market, they come with price tags to match. Altogether, the 4 products in the signature line will set you back around $20,000. Although they cost double or triple the price of existing products, demand is surprisingly strong. The outstanding performance of premium household appliances in the market has led to the soaring of LG Electronics brand value. Operating profits in the first quarter surged past $420 million, recording the highest operating profit for the quarter in LG's history.
저희 LG 시그니처는 소비자가 만족할 수 있는 압도적인 성능은 물론이고요. 본질에 충실한 디자인으로 승부할 계획입니다. 냉장고, 세탁기, 공기청정기 등의 디자인에 세계적인 산업 디자이너인 톨스텐 벨리어가 참여했고요. 이를 통해서 소재 본연의 아름다움은 살리고 오래 사용해도 소비자들이 질리지 않는 정제된 디자인을 저희가 완성했습니다.
The performance of these premium household appliances had already been recognized at CES earlier this year. LG's OLED TV won the Innovation Prize, marking the 4th year in a row that LG has received this award. International response to LG's OLED TV was overwhelmingly positive, with reviewers giving it the highest ratings among competitors. The TV Product Evaluation of Consumer Report, a specialized publication in the US, also awarded the highest scores ever to LG's OLED TV. The top 10 spots in this ranking were all taken by Korean companies, with the exception of Sony. The positive reviews had led to high sales numbers as well. Although the global TV market is shrinking in the recession, the OLED TV segment has continued to grow. In this segment, LG has a 96% market share, making it the clear leader.
저희가 세계 가전시장이 정체기에 왔다고 판단을 하고 있었습니다. 그래서 이에 따라서 고급화 전략을 써서 프리미엄 제품에도 돈을 아끼지 않는 그 수요층을 겨냥해서 초프리미엄 브랜드를 탄생시키게 되었고요. 이 시장을 잡기 위해서 기존 제품이랑 차별화된 초프리미엄 제품을 계속 내놓을 예정이고요. 이를 통해서 한 차원 높은 브랜드 이미지를 구축할 예정입니다. 또 이런 브랜드 효과를 통해서 기존 제품들의 구매로 이어지는 그런 브랜드 납치 효과까지 저희가 얻을 수 있을 것으로 기대를 하고 있습니다.
Samsung's Chef Collection Family Hub, a premium refrigerator, is another key example of premium household appliances. It is fitted with a 21.5-inch Full HD touchscreen, offering a wide range of IoT services. Samsung Electronics also recorded profits of over $400 million in the consumer electronics segment, a huge growth from the losses made in the last quarter. The global giant enjoys great popularity worldwide, holding the largest market share in the US. According to industry estimates, the global household electronics market stands at about $300 billion, with premium household electronics making up about $15 billion. Why then are the world's largest household electronics companies pouring so much effort into the premium segment, which only makes up 5% of the entire market? This is because the premium household electronics segment has been growing at 3 times the pace of ordinary products over the past few years. Experts say that recessions tend to have a polarizing effect on consumption trends. This is because while some consumers seek low prices, there are also those who wish to invest in value by purchasing premium products.
예, 기본적으로 이제 가치 소비의 측면에서 심리적 혜택을 높이려고 하는 소비자들 심리가 반영이 된 결과고요. 제품의 심리성이라든가 디자인 같은 것들을 또 추구를 하고 또 높은 가격이 주는 제품의 과시성 같은 것들을 강조를 하고 또한 프리미엄 제품의 어떤 브랜드 카리스마라든가 후광 효과 같은 것들이 작용하면서 소비자들이 이런 제품들을 찾는다라고 볼 수가 있겠습니다.
Thus, leading companies in the global household electronics market have turned to the premium market in a high-risk bid to stay ahead of rapidly changing consumption trends in the global economic recession. While affordable Chinese products are flooding the market and traditional European luxury brands are rising in prominence, Korean companies have chosen a new strategy, targeting the super premium segment. Luxury-oriented consumer psychology also led to the growth of the segment as consumers became willing to pay double or triple the cost to buy premium household appliances.
기본적인 성능에 약간의 성능만 추가되는데 가격은 거기에 비례해서 이렇게 정비례하는 게 아니라 지수함수적으로 이제 급격하게 늘어난다라는 거죠. 그래서 경제적인 효용성 측면에서 본다면 그렇게 바람직하지는 않지만 또 이런 작은 프리미엄도 큰 비용을 지불하고 기꺼이 구매하려고 하는 명품 지향형 소비자들이 많아지고 있어서 또 이런 것들이 또 소비 시장을 형성하고 있습니다.
The premium household electronics segment satisfies the desire of consumers to splurge on value while increasing the profits of producers. It seems that this segment will continue to grow in the near future.
프리미엄 제품에 대한 욕구는 보편적인 과시 욕망이라든가 아니면 인정 욕망 이런 것들에 기반을 하고 있기 때문에 결코 사라질 수 없는 그런 시장이지요. 특히 이제 주거 공간 속에서 가령 주부들이 또 다른 사람들에게 과시를 하려고 하는 거죠. 이런 제품을 통해서. 그래서 이게 일종의 과시 상품으로서 또 자리 잡고 시장에서 또 계속해서 관련 시장을 형성해 나갈 것으로 예상이 됩니다.
When consumers buy premium household appliances, they are buying pride and satisfaction. Thus, it seems the premium segment will remain strong in the recession, with more companies competing for the profitable slice of the pie.
(3D) holography is a next-generation imaging technology capable of recreating lifelike three-dimensional images. It is being applied beyond video displays to medical science. Meet the 3D holographic microscope causing waves in the medical community. Although the singers are not actually on stage, this K-pop concert looks and sounds like the real thing. This has been made possible by 3D holography, which recreates lifelike three-dimensional images. It's already been a while since such hologram performances were first introduced. However, the 3D hologram technology out in the market today is not yet perfect. It is a pseudo-hologram which creates three-dimensional images that look like they're floating in mid-air by projecting high-resolution images onto a large, transparent screen. True 3D holography aims to create images that can be observed from all 360 degrees. If this technology can be perfected, it is expected to be a game changer in many fields, most importantly, medical technology. Recently, a Korean team of researchers made news in the international medical community by developing a commercial holographic microscope capable of observing living cells in 3D.
저희가 이제 이번에 개발한 홀로그래피 현미경은 세포를 이제 관찰함에 있어서 정량적인 물리량들을 계산하면서 세포를 3차원으로 그리고 단층 영상을 촬영할 수 있도록 새로 개발한 그런 현미경이 되겠습니다. 세포의 내부에 있는 굴절률 값의 분포를 측정을 하면서 영상을 얻는 방식입니다. 그래서 염색이 필요 없으면서도 세포 내부에 있는 구조를 정확하게 알 수 있는 그런 혁신적인 솔루션인데.
In hologram concerts, displays are used to play holograms. Instead, the holographic microscope's role is to record holograms. Of the two beams from the laser, one is shown directly on the screen, while the other is shown on the object. The hologram is recorded by storing the wave patterns created when these two beams meet.
빛의 세기와 방향을 둘 다 기록할 수 있으면 홀로그래피라고 얘기를 합니다. 방향까지 제어가 된다라 그러면 입체 영상을 띄울 수가 있습니다. 빛의 방향 정보까지 찍기 위해서는 물리학에서 얘기하는 빛의 간섭이라는 것을 이용을 해줘야 그걸 찍을 수가 있습니다. 레이저 빛을 두 개를 써서 서로 겹치게 만드는 거죠. 그렇게 해주면 간섭이라는 현상이 발생하게 되고 그걸 통해서 빛의 방향 정보를 간접적으로 기록할 수가 있습니다. 이게 홀로그래피의 기록이고요.
The 3D holographic microscope was created by combining the principles of holography, which uses the interference of light, with the principles of computed tomography, which takes footage of the object in many layers. The 3D images are obtained by irradiating a laser beam onto cells to obtain the refractive index at each position, which is used to compute the 3D image.
세포가 샘플이 되는 거고 레이저 빛이 지나오는 것을 가지고 2차원 홀로그램을 찍은 다음에 다양한 각도에서 여러 장의 2D 홀로그램을 찍은 다음에 복원을 해주면은 이 세포의 3차원 내부 구조를 볼 수가 있습니다. 3차원 홀로그래픽 현미경이라는 것은 엑스레이 CT를 레이저로 만들어서 세포의 내부를 볼 수 있다. 이렇게 해주는 기계다. 이렇게 이해를 하시면 됩니다.
The key technology lies in this device, which operates millions of micrometer-sized reflectors individually to control the reflective light.
우선 회전 거울 자체가 너무 민감해서 이런 상용화된 장비에 넣는다는 것이 어려운 일이고 세포를 돌리게 되면은 돌리면서 변형이 일어나게 됩니다. 그래서 다이나믹 마이크로미러 디바이스, 줄여서 DMD라고 하는 장비를 여기다 이용해보자라는 아이디어를 낸 거고요. 이 아이디어가 뭐냐면은 물리학에서 얘기하는 빛의 회절이라는 걸 이용을 합니다. 그렇게 되면은 움직이는 부품 없이 전기적으로 빛을 고속으로 정밀하게 제어를 할 수가 있어서 이런 3차원 홀로그래픽 현미경을 제품화할 수가 있었습니다.
With traditional microscopes, the cells had to be dyed with a fluorescent dye to obtain such 3D images. Thus, it is a breakthrough that living cells and tissues can be observed in real-time 3D images without being dyed using this microscope.
지금 현재 나와 있는 기술로 세포의 3차원 영상을 보려면은 염색을 해야 됩니다. 그게 이제 가장 큰 문제가 된 게 줄기세포라든지 사람 몸속에 다시 주입을 해야 되는 백혈구와 같은 경우에는 그런 영상을 해버리게 되면은 주입이 안 됩니다. 근데 이제 저희 현미경으로 찍으면은 그런 염색 처리를 전혀 하지 않고서 살아있는 그 자체로 얼마든지 사람 몸속에 주입할 수 있는, 그래서 기존의 현미경, 3차원 현미경으로는 불가능했던 줄기세포라든지 아니면은 그런 면역학 등에서 중요한 연구를 할 수 있고 생명과학이나 그리고 분자생물학, 세포생물학 여러 가지 분야에서 널리 사용될 수 있다라고 생각을 합니다.
Korea now has a global lead in 3D holographic microscopy. As a microscope can measure everything from the cell's volume and mass to protein concentration, it is expected to play a huge role in new drug innovations, diagnosis, and therapy.
앞으로 세포를 관찰하고 그다음에 세포 사이에서 일어나는 현상들을 소프트웨어 시뮬레이션을 통해서 알아가는 시대가 이제 올 거라고 예상을 하고 있는데요. 그 시대에서 저희가 새로운 데이터들을 통해서 혁신적인 기술과 솔루션으로 이바지하실 것을 기대를 하고 있습니다.
The Korean 3D holographic microscope is the world's second commercialized microscope of its kind. As it will be used as a new diagnostic standard, hopes are high that Korea will be able to display greater leadership in medicine and life sciences.
Among a host of personal healthcare products hitting the market today is a smart stethoscope, a medical instrument once reserved for doctors. Meet SmartSound, an emerging healthcare startup in Korea that has brought auscultation technology closer to home. A typical medical consultation starts with a physician using a stethoscope to listen to a patient's chest. Skeeper, a smart stethoscope developed by Smart Sound. This little device single-handedly listens to, identifies, and analyzes heart sounds. The accompanying app then uses Smart Sound's unique technology to detect subtle changes and patterns in heart sounds.
심장음을 녹음을 해서 분당 심박수와 규칙도를 계산을 해내는 거죠. 분당 심박수라고 하면은 보통 일반적인 사람이 분당 60초 정도 심장이 뛰는데요. 그런 것들을 계산을 해내고 분당 60회라면은 그 간격이 정확하게 1초가 돼야 됩니다. 그래서 그 간격이 짧고 길고를 판단해서 일정 한가의 여부를 퍼센트로 표시해주는 규칙도를 나타내주게 됩니다.
Heart health is critical to longevity. A 10 BPM increase in heart rate during a resting phase is associated with a 9% higher risk of death. In 2014, heart disease was the second leading cause of death in Korea. The Skeeper allows the user to have a clear and accurate understanding of the heart's condition by presenting the measured data in easy-to-read graphs.
본인의 건강의 상태가 이상이 있을 때 병원까지 갈 수 있도록 유도해주는 그런 역할을 합니다. 그래서 스키퍼를 통해서 측정을 하면은 스마트폰으로 데이터가 전달이 돼서 거기서 문진하고 청진, 분석, 처방, 진단 이런 어떤 사이클에 스마트 알고리즘이 들어가 있습니다. 그것에 의해서 사용자들이 본인의 어떤 매일 기록들을 보면서 건강 관리를 하게 되는 거죠.
The Skeeper features a specialized app for expectant and young mothers. For example, expectant parents can listen to their baby's heartbeat anytime, anywhere, which relieves them of anxiety and stress about the well-being of their unborn child.
생각을 좀 파괴를 한 거죠. 과거에 의료기기 그러면 좀 딱딱한 감도 있고 이게 병원에서 가정으로 가야 되는 솔루션이니까 그래서 가정의 그 모든 그 패밀리 유저들이 친하게 사용할 수 있는 그런 컨셉의 디자인을 생각하게 되었고.
CEO Lee Man-chun started his own business when working for a local company in 1999. Then he founded Smart Sound with an aim to tap into the huge potential of the healthcare market. After realizing that the heartbeat is the most basic signal that our body sends us, he decided to develop a new device that enables the smart management of the heart. But it wasn't until recently that the Skeeper saw the light of day. Recording and analyzing the heartbeat was a challenging process that involved complicated technology.
심장음은 일반 마이크로 채집을 하기 어려운데 저희 스키퍼에서는 그것을 최대한으로 이제 많이 음을 포집을 해서 이 낮은 부분의 음성과 노이즈를 분리해서 걸러낸 다음에 적당한 필터링, 그러니까 여기서 우리가 원하는 그런 음성들만 캐치를 해가지고 심장음을 판별해 내는 것이죠.
This Skeeper was finally unveiled in March this year with a price tag of $110 US.
Well, I believe the price is reasonable because if you go to the hospital for ultrasonic scan, it costs around $20 to $100 US in Korea. And let's not forget that you have to go back to the hospital again and again. But if you have this Skeeper, you don't have to go to the hospital for checking the routine things like such as condition of the fetus, of the heartbeats, and etc. So concerning this kind of availability and also the cost effectiveness, I believe the price is not that bad.
Smart Sound has taken the first step into the healthcare market. Although the team wasn't able to launch its product as quickly as it had hoped, it is confident in its product and the technology behind it.
개인의 그 측정 정보가 그 기록이 돼서 돼 있고 그 다음에 그 개인에 대해 맞는 그 컨텐츠, 방대한 컨텐츠가 제공되기 때문에 그 정보가 이제 많이 서버에 쌓이면서 향후에 이제 건강에 대한 빅데이터 분석, 패턴 분석 이런 것들을 해서 좀 더 나은 서비스를 또 발전할 수 있겠죠.
Yi is not complacent about his work and wishes to establish a strong presence in the smart healthcare market. We asked Yi about future plans.
요즘 100세 시대도 되고 고령화도 늘어나고 이제 건강하게 장수를 해야 되니까 과거에는 이제 병원 중심의 치료 중심의 어떤 시대였다 그러면은 앞으로는 가정에서 건강을 케어해서 건강을 유지하고 발전시키는 이런 이제 시대로 큰 변화가 있는데 거기에 이제 저희들의 스키퍼의 역할이 있다고 봅니다.
Smart Sound took note of the public's growing interest in personal health care as well as the importance of heart health in boosting longevity. With its smart auscultation solution, cardiac care is now just a heartbeat away.
Earlier this year, Powerball fever swept the United States as the jackpot soared to a record-breaking $1.5 billion.
Wow, that's amazing. Well, here in Korea, there are more than 10 lotteries. But did you know that lotteries offer economic benefits not only to the winners themselves, but also to our society as a whole?
Very good question. Now, on today's info station, we'll take a look at how lotteries benefit society through the funding of good causes. Are you ready? You've probably heard about how lottery sales rise when the economy is bad. Some say financial insecurity is driving people to spend more money on lottery tickets in hopes of a big payoff.
That's right. During the global economic boom from 2004 to 2005, lottery sales remained flat or even declined. But they have seen a steady rise since the 2007 economic crisis. In Korea, lottery sales have continued to rise since 2010. Last year's lottery sales amounted to $3.5 billion, the highest in 12 years.
In Korea, there are many different types of lotteries, from the housing lottery and pension lottery to scratch and win tickets. The most popular lottery game is Lotto, which was first introduced in December 2002.
That's right, and every week an average of 10 million Lotto tickets are sold. The ticket is about 10 centimeters long, so the combined length of all Lotto tickets sold in a week will be nearly 100,000 kilometers, which is around 115 times the round-trip distance from Seoul to Busan.
Now, what is as impressive as the sales figures is the amount of jackpot. The largest jackpot in Korean lotto history was $40 million in 2003.
Wow!
Compared to the $1,000, which was what the first place winner of Korea's first national lottery received back in 1947. This amount must have been a fortune at the time.
Probably so, but you know what's interesting is that the lottery was organized to raise money to cover traveling expenses of Korean athletes participating in the 16th London Olympic Games. Yep, that's right. It collected $80,000 in total. Like this case, lotteries are often used to support meaningful causes.
The lucky winners scooping up lots of cash prizes always make headlines, but did you know that part of lottery revenues are used to fund various public projects?
Yes, the Korea Lotto was a joint initiative by 10 different ministries and government agencies, including the Ministry of Patriots and Veterans Affairs and the Ministry of the Interior. The lottery's proceeds are used then to award the winners and also to support public programs. In fact, roughly 41% of revenues are returned to the public.
When we compare the percentages of lottery revenues that are allocated to public funds, Korea ranks on the top of the world, beating the US, Japan, and Taiwan.
You'll be surprised to see Korea's lottery fund revenues. The total fund revenues over the past 10 years were more than $11 billion, with the amount exceeding $1.5 billion in 2014 alone.
More than 60% of this fund is invested in public services projects and returned to society.
For example, it provides funding for the purchase and construction of rental housing for low-income families, welfare programs for patriots and veterans, and disaster relief services.
Now, the fund also supports cultural programs for the underprivileged, and local governments strive to ensure a stable livelihood for its citizens and promote cultural development. In the case of other countries, Harvard University in the US, the Sydney Opera House in Australia, and the Great Wall of China were all built using lottery funds. It's interesting to see how lottery revenues are spent in many different ways.
It really is. I mean, I never imagined lotteries could help to fund good causes in our society.
That's right, and that wraps up today's Info Station.
This year's trendiest alcoholic beverages are carbonated. Find out why. Review of Samsung and LG's 360-degree cameras released in the onset of VR. Meet Youth Period, developer of Korea's first electric skateboard. 100 million Zimbabwean dollars for a glass of milk? Why do countries use different currencies? Find out on next week's BizLine.